Alright, we got the bottom end put together, got the pistons in it, that tick stage 2 turbo cam put in it. Rings are gapped. This is a Gen 4 rod and piston, Gen 3 24X motor. It's just a stock bottom end motor. It has been low 10s on 14 pounds of boost. Yeah, that's it though. Not much to it. We're gonna try these BTR head gaskets. Everybody says they're the way to go. Multi-layer head gasket. They're like the LS9 gaskets, but it's for a smaller board. Alright, we got the head studs in. Got these BTR head gaskets put on. Man, they look nice. Almost too pretty to cover up. Got the IWIS timing chain in there. Tick stage 2 turbo cam. Should be a beast. Alright, we got the heads on. China studs torqued down, none of them broke. Had to hold my breath for a minute. They are a little sketchy when you're tightening them down, but we got the short block almost completely assembled. So now I painted the valley cover, just touched up the paint. So be ready to throw the thing back in the car here pretty quick.